Hi everybody. Imagine when you are traveling on surface, you are traveling on road, and that too with a speed of aeroplane. Is it possible? More than 700 miles per hour, more than 1200 kilometer per hour is the speed with which you can travel on surface, on road transport, or you can say surface transport. Is it possible? The answer is yes. The answer is given by the technology called as Hyperloop technology. So it's, you can say that we know that there is a road transport, there is a train transport, there is air transport, there is water transport. So this is one example of train or rail transport where you can see a train, a super fast train using Hyperloop technology, and to aim at achieving more than 1200 kilometer per hour. Doesn't it look exciting to you? Of course, it looks very exciting. Let's understand very briefly what is this technology. So, as you can see that, the very interesting, beautiful, exciting, wonderful pictures of this Hyperloop technology. It's proposed as a high-speed ground transportation. As I told you, surface or ground transportation system currently under development. It is yet to completely come on ground. Can be designed for passengers or goods. It's not gods. Passengers or goods transport with a speed of 1200 kilometer or more. So you can understand 1200 kilometer per hour or more. So it's so exciting. And what are the component? It consists of pods, which is also called as capsule. You look at here. This is a capsule carrying people or cargo zipping along tubes. This is a tube where you can see a capsule or a cargo, and this is a tube where it will travel. So it can carry people, it can carry goods, it can carry cargo, capable of connecting different city centers in same way as our metro rail or metro system connects major stops, major points, major terminals within a city. So as you can see the terminology, the technology where there is a tube, and inside the tube this capsule is traveling with high speed. Elon Musk, I mean the founder of Tesla, SpaceX, he proposed the concept of Hyperloop Alpha in August 2013. So Elon Musk, he proposed the idea. He described Hyperloop running a route in California from Los Angeles to San Francisco, traveling at a maximum speed of 1220 km per hour or 760 miles per hour. The routes of Hyperloop system can be traced back to the vacuum train. It's a kind of vacuum train concept first proposed by Robert Goddard in 1904. Musk had declared the Hyperloop as an open source transportation concept. As we use open source software, open source platform, similarly open source transportation concept, it means other companies and scientists are also encouraged to build on his ideas. It's not that this is his idea, he owns the patent or the copyright of the idea. Any company can work on the idea and can, implement this. Since then, when he proposed, the idea has been taken up by students, startups, a large number of companies, all of them, they are moving to the concept further into becoming more feasible model. So as you can see, there are two more interesting pictures. Working principle of Hyperloop technology is based on overcoming the two main barriers of faster transportation, that is friction. In generally in the ground transport, friction is there, and air resistance. So therefore a vacuum tube you see here, and there's a rotor there, the cargo or tube is there, capsule is there inside the tube. Compression fan will be there, solar panel or electrical system can be connected, stator, rotor, and these are the pillars where you can mount the tube, and this is what exactly it looks like. So the two major challenges like friction and air resistances are overcome. The concept is built on the idea of vacuum train. You see here vacuum tube, vacuum train, to create no air resistance, to create much more advanced and physical model. Little energy is required for running these trains at very high speed. Its design suggests that Elon Musk, his design suggests mounting an electric compression fan. You look at here, electric compressor fan on nose of pod to maintain the pressure, and that will remove the air pressure and friction, and it will move with high speed. This can also help in creating a low friction suspension system with air bearings. External linear electric motor you see here, stator and rotor combination is used to power the fan, the compressor fan. The acceleration is only needed to initially get the pod to high speeds and for periodic reboots. Otherwise, it maintains the same speed. And so at periodic interval, reboost is needed. You look at here inside the capsule, people or goods can be put here or people can be seated. You can see the chairs and the arrangement and fans, compressor fan you can see in the, nodes of this one. So tube is the most important element. Partially evacuated cylindrical tube serves as a tracks in conventional rail. Motors to be placed along with tube for acceleration and deceleration of capsules. Therefore, motors are needed. The tube can possibly be built on steel and supported by concrete pylons. Musk suggested mounting solar panels on the tube to make it fully self-powering. So that is also a good idea. Capsules and pods, look at the capsules and pods which are traveling inside the tube. Capsules move along a low pressure tube at high speed and are lifted using air cushions. Capsules are sealed vessels used to transport passengers and cargo or cargo. Elements of propulsion will be mounted on the capsules. Most of the designs have suggested that the capacity of each capsule will be of 25 to 50 passengers or 15 to 18,000 kilogram of cargo. So, and then there will be stations constructed for the boarding and unboarding. Most of the companies put their focus on designing minimalist, fully automated stations or terminals who are working on measures to prevent overcrowding and delays in the boarding. So hope this looks very exciting to all of you, right? And this is a great, idea to have. So India also has started thinking about it. Its own Indian Hyperloop, made in India Hyperloop by Indian Railways. That thought process has started. The people have started working on it. The concept of Hyperloop. There are several barriers to Hyperloop revolution across the globe. There is a spelling mistake of globe that need to be addressed in journey forward. It will be E is missing here, but still commercial Hyperloop transport systems will surely become a reality, and in 15 to 20 years, coming years, may even become as a widespread mode of transport like other modes which are very prevalent. So hope, this gives an idea about what is Hyperloop, how exciting it is, what is the technology, what would be the speed with which, the public transport as well as goods transport will be available with that too high speed ground transport system. Thank you so much. Hope if you like this video, if you really like this video about what is Hyperloop, how does it work, please do not forget to comment, like the channel, subscribe the channel and spread with your peers and friends. Thank you so much.